Oi, oi, prisoners, I am Craven Moorhead from the Met Office. Good afternoon, unless you're still staring at the sky thinking those lines are normal, in which case, good luck, love. We're heading into another week of carefully coordinated atmospheric theatre, and if you think this is about weather, then I've got a mask, a booster, and a smart kettle to sell you. After the weekend storm shit show, with wind gusts conveniently targeting infrastructure zones and rainfall that hit like it had coordinates, we're now being told it's going to be settled. Settled, like your spirit, like your mortgage under BlackRock, like your brain if you're still watching BBC without a sick bucket. Why is it settled? Because high pressure is the weather world's version of the science is clear, vague, smug, and designed to shut you up while they cook the air above your head like a Tesco microwave curry. Scotland's still getting a tactical rinsing wet, windy, and wild, like someone's testing wind weaponry on sheep again. Heavy downpours here, a smear of cloud there. The rest of the country, buried in this heavy, manufactured blanket of sky gunk so thick you'd think the ozone was sponsored by Dulux. But don't worry, down south it's sunny, apparently 21 degrees and pleasant. Pleasant like morphine, warmth delivered under a dome of God knows what, while planes above draw glyphs that aren't even trying to hide anymore. And if you bring it up, conspiracy. Get fucked. They're spraying you like strawberries and telling you it's pollen season. Tonight, that fresh layer of grey soup creeps back in. Like your creepy uncle at Christmas, uninvited and always moist. Rain returns to the northwest like it's been told to keep the soil soggy and the farmers begging for subsidies. Cloud cover thickens. Wales and the southwest get the drizzle treatment. Just enough to make you miserable, not enough to justify a complaint. Classic tactics. Temperatures won't dip much, because guess what? Cloud traps heat, especially when laced with crap that's reflective, conductive, and probably patented by Lockheed Martin. Most towns sit at 11 to 12 degrees. Ideal conditions for bacteria, black mould, and slow psychological breakdown. Tomorrow, grey, damp, forgettable. Scotland and Northern Ireland take the first slap, then it slides across the north like a slug on antidepressants. Western Scotland clears up for a bit, probably because the satellites need a clear scan. Rest of the UK, you get that fake brightness that makes you squint and think, oh, it's trying to be nice, as your vitamin D collapses like your economy. Temps dip slightly, 17 to 18 degrees, still muggy, still heavy, still thick enough to chew. Wednesday, that weak drizzle, front flops south like a hungover intern, more cloud, more gloom, more of that don't worry, everything's fine feeling that usually comes before something explodes. North clears, south stays, wrapped in a dirty duvet of disinformation, and just when you think you've survived the bulletin, they hit you with, catch Alex Birkhill later on YouTube. Yeah. Maybe he'll tell you why the clouds over Kent were pixelated this morning, or why birds are flying in spirals and dropping like iPhones with no updates, but I wouldn't count on it, because this isn't about the weather. It's about control, the kind you don't notice until your thoughts aren't yours anymore. This is Craven Moorhead, bringing you the forecast they hope you sleep through. If it's cloudy, question it. If it's clear, be suspicious. And if the sky looks like a glitch in the Matrix, you're finally waking up. Please remember, if you watched it and you liked it, then share it around like a dose of the clap on a council estate. Don't forget to follow or bail out Liam Stoneley when he does finally end up getting arrested. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.